So, if I cannot break this thing with one hand, then I have to dump water on me, and I only have like a minute. So here we go. Like, we have to break it in half. I mean, I'm poking holes in it, but come on. I have to break 5 pieces. All right, that's one. Oh, I can't. I didn't mean to use my other hand. That didn't count. That's. I can't get it. That's 3. Oh God, you don't know how much time left. That's 4. Wait, no. Come on. No. I lost. How cold is it? Oh God. Well. Yeah. So there's a series now called "If You Cannot Break This Item." Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, it's a new series, I guess. I ran out of time. Are you actually serious?